Good morning, YouTube. Okay, if I can get my damn jacket to cooperate this morning. You ain't wanting to. I may not be able to vlog this morning because my glasses are trying to fog up, because I have my Blasipha on. So I'm gonna make this a short vid. I was just on YouTube before getting suited up to go to UPS, and I watched a 1,000 subscriber video by NL Ryder's wife. Way to go, congratulations on the 1,000 subscribers. And I have not seen a bad video by her since I started watching. And I've probably done watch most of the 1,000 or most of her videos. So if y'all are not subscribed to her yet, I suggest y'all do so. She's a very good vlogger. And that's going to be about it. I'm having to stop and take my camera out so I'll be able to see. And I'll vlog again when I leave UPS. Alrighty, later.